plug my rock tumbler. I've only got one power cord out here. Things are kicking ass. Getting ready to make some cuts. That'll be better. Pretty stoked on that material. Well, I finished cutting, all wet, gonna have a smoke, change my clothes. Here's some of the pieces I've got so far. There's definitely some favorites in here. Try to wait for the camera to focus. So, what my plan is, there's some obviously like big pieces. I'm gonna chop those down a little bit and get them scaled for pendants still. I still have a bit more saw work to go. And then I will get onto my grinder. It's got a 6-inch diamond grinding wheel on it. It's a 60 grit. And then I bring it over here to my polishing setup, or else I can go into the tumblers. But a lot of the time I just like doing the polishing setup. We run through all of these discs and finish on this one. And so there's like, you know, about 8 different discs to do with each pendant. I like to do between 5 and 50 at once. 50 will take me the good portion of a day. 5 will take, you know, like an hour or 2. So I'm gonna sort these out, choose, there's got to be like 80 or 90 pieces in there. I'll choose like my favorite 40 or so, and I'll get on to the next stage. Try to get something done today.
Somebody likes getting some clam.
I do. Yeah, it's me. Of course I like clam.
Okay, I got 50 pieces. I'm gonna take all these rough edges off and round them out a bit, get them ready for the next step. One.
Some of these will take a lot longer than others. It's got a rough face on it. You're gonna want to round it out a whole bunch. So it's gonna take a lot longer than the last one.
That one's still got a lot of work to go. I might just send it to the tumbler for stage 1 for a couple weeks. Some of these rocks, you can tell they're way harder stone than others. This is a tough one. That means it'll polish better usually. Carved the edge. I don't know if you saw that.